Hi, I'm Lisa Kelley with EarthCam, and we're excited to be part of Autodesk University 2020. I'm here to tell you about how the Autodesk Forge platform has enhanced our ability to show our clients the best visual information for their job sites. In my 15 years in the AEC industry, I've found two things that I think are very important to make a project more successful, and those are education and communication. For almost 25 years, EarthCam has been providing both of those for their clients, including general contractors, developers, subcontractors, engineers, architects, retailers, sports teams, and more all over the world. We have a very colorful group of cameras available to you, including security camera recording, time-lapse videos that you're able to use to promote your projects, live streaming video for project management. We have VR 360 cameras that allow you to document the interiors on the ground, pinpointed right to your site plan, showing you where that visual information is going to make it the most efficient and informative for you. And trailer cams for those mobile job sites, something really long, something that you're going to need to move around on and be autonomous with the solar power and the cellular. And we just announced, speaking of technology, a 5G camera, the world's first 5G camera for the construction industry, which means that you are going to get this information delivered faster than ever. Now, we want to get these cameras out to you in the field, make it very easy for you to use and access. So we have boots on the ground globally, which means that we can configure the cameras, engineer the cameras, tell you where to put the best cameras, install the cameras, maintain the cameras. We've got unlimited training again so that you can get all the different benefits out of the construction camera technology that EarthCam provides for you. So now, why we're here. We're at Autodesk University. We put cameras on poles, we put cameras on rooftops, and what's really changed over the last few years is what our clients have been demanding of us, which is higher resolution images for things like equipment identification, better time-lapse movies with AI enhanced integration that allows us to have it presentation ready for you, bigger files because projects are becoming more intricate in the way that you're designing them. So the Raiders Stadium, for example, right here, was very large, and we would not have been able to integrate if it was not for the Forge platform. With this, and you'll be able to see in a little bit, how we're able to line up the camera image with the model to show you the actual versus the planned and expected part of that project. And lastly, one of the things that's been really great with the Forge platform is our integration with BIM 360 partner cards. You can manage the project even better, and we can take different aspects of what EarthCam provides you, including that visual information, on-site weather information, integration with the models, and you know what? I'm going to stop because I've got a great colleague, Travis, and he's going to tell you more about it.
Hi, my name's Travis. We're excited to share with you what makes our integration with Autodesk and Autodesk Partner Cards so unique. In your Partner Card, you can view our incredible BIM software and detect classes between virtual and as-built conditions. Increase or decrease our opacity setting to see more of the model or the image. We support multiple types of models, from structural, interior, exterior, finished to no texture. Play your camera timelines to compare the as-built progress of your project with your model. With the measurement tool, compare the completed project to the architectural model. When using our top-down view, you can see how the model is positioned to the floor plan. Using our EarthCam photography software, you can geotag 360 images to markers at any point of the floor plan. By clicking on the marker, you can open up a 360 image and tour each key point of your project. Also create RFIs right on the 360 images and share them directly with your team to gather information right on the spot. With our web player, you can watch live streaming video, allowing you to get real-time information and status updates. You can view panos of your project that provide incredible detail, and you can also play back clips from the past 24 hours to get an added layer of security and quality assurance. EarthCam systems robotically scan the entire job site, capturing thousands of highly detailed progress images. Our service automatically stitches the individual photos to create epic panoramic images. Our unique image comparison tools are unparalleled. We provide a virtual X-ray of project progress. Zoom in on your panorama to see a crisp, ultra-detailed view of your job site. Click Share to mark up the image, highlighting specific areas of the picture, and even adding important notes in a text overlay. In addition to the time and date stamp, each image contains important weather data such as temperature, dew point, and humidity. With just one click, all this data is pushed directly into a specific project in BIM 360. Our VR photography software provides another solution for documenting our project interiors. Tag each marker you add to your floor plan with a 360 image. Remotely explore and inspect each room using our guided tour feature. Your 360 images create an indisputable record of as-built conditions through a single time-efficient image. As you add updated images to each marker over time, compare past images with current progress. This feature lets you drill down through the walls, all in 360. As you watch your guided tour, you can add notes and instantly share with your team to gather missing information right on the spot. Display image and marker information to share marker location and metadata along with your image when you share to Autodesk. You can also create PDF reports of your images from the latest site visit to share with all your stakeholders. As demand for cameras on job sites increase, it is important to select a provider you can rely on for all your project documentation needs. Partner cards make it even easier to view this powerful EarthCam content. 360 models, images, video clips, time-lapse videos, image comparison, and project management tools quickly so you can solve your problems on the spot or present to stakeholders.
Thanks, Travis. Now I'm going to spend a little bit of time going into our model integration. What you're seeing here is a great job site, multiple buildings. And the first thing we're going to show you is how we have the ability to do different types of models. Obviously, you don't have just one model per the job site. And you're looking at the Forge viewer here within Navisworks, overlaid with webcam images, taken on a regular basis from EarthCam construction cameras. In addition to the exterior cameras, one of the solutions I talked about earlier was the VR360 reality capture. Now the VR360 reality capture is when someone is going around using the VR360 camera, taking pictures on that job site and integrating it right into the floor plans. Showed a little bit of the drone imagery there that we can incorporate as well. This is that Raiders Stadium again, such a cool project. I know not everybody's building an NFL stadium, but the ability to look at that detail on that cutaway of the model. Comparing again the as-built conditions versus the planned. And that's an adjustable X-ray tool there, so you don't just have to do the side-by-side here, you can customize that. And then you can send all that information back into BIM 360, where you're going to have your RFIs and observations. So now you've got the visual information right where you need it, right at your fingertips, some of the same stuff that Travis went over, but looking at it within your BIM 360 viewer. Another project here, this was actually a corporate headquarters for a company, and they used quite a few of the pictures on the inside, as well as us aligning that exterior camera in partnership with Autodesk programmers. So their photographer went around about once a week, very regularly. You can see all these pictures tagged right to the site plan. And when we zoom in here, we're going to see something really cool. We're first going to see the model and then that overlay of that picture taken with an EarthCam camera. It's pretty amazing to be able to line this up, and we use AI to actually hinge pictures on certain points within the project so that you can take a look at it and line it up as much as possible. PlanGrid, another great company now that's a part of Autodesk, and you want to send that information straight into PlanGrid. So now if you're a PlanGrid user, you are also able to provide that visual information. Job site walkthroughs, creating RFIs, all within this 3D space. So now you're looking at everything and not being able to miss any part of that project. Again, talked about the panoramas a bit ago, and those robotic cameras that I showed you, the really colorful ones, are able to provide these really high definition panoramas. That's so cool. Amazing steel underneath there, and if we didn't have those images, we wouldn't necessarily see or know how it was built. But now we have these captured forever to be able to manage that project and that job site in the future. So nice cutaway. Again, visual information all in one spot. At the end, you're going to be able to see an amazing time-lapse movie that is edited by our editors here, pulling together everything from these interior 360 images to the exterior webcam images. There's a lot of cool stuff here, and a lot of our clients are very excited to be able to use this on their projects. These are some of the clients that have benefited from our integration with Autodesk. We went to them a few years ago when Autodesk came to us and said, what can you do to build a better solution for our clients? And we talked to our clients, we found out what they needed for a better job site. We met with Autodesk developers, and we continue to grow our programming and development departments to build what these clients and more need to make their job sites better. We look forward to building a better future with you, and you have just seen a glimpse of the amazing technology we're able to enhance with the Forge platform, and look forward to hearing what you would like to see next. Thanks for watching.